we're starting by preparing the base of our miniature house. First, we use a strong, thick brown cardboard sheet. Then carefully measure and place a white cardboard layer on top. This gives us a clean and sturdy foundation to build the entire house on. After measuring carefully, we cut both pieces of cardboard to exactly the same size. Now we're applying glue and firmly attaching the white cardboard to the brown cardboard. This creates a strong, even, and clean base for our miniature house. The two cardboard layers are now firmly attached. We're adding masking tape around all four edges to give the base a neat, clean, and finished look. This simple step makes the foundation look much more polished and ready for the next stage. Now that the foundation is ready, we're planning the entire layout of our miniature house. We're deciding where each room, the garden, swimming pool, garage, living room, walls, and front gate will go. Every space is carefully measured and planned before we start building. Using the measurements we planned earlier, we're now carefully cutting the cardboard pieces to the exact sizes. Each piece is placed and fitted onto the foundation to create the different sections of our miniature house. We're building the rooms, table areas, garden, and other spaces step by step. It's amazing to see our original plan slowly turning into a real miniature home. Using the measurements we planned earlier, we're now carefully cutting the cardboard pieces to the exact sizes. Now we're starting to build the walls of our miniature house. Each cardboard wall is carefully positioned according to our measurements and firmly attached to the foundation using glue. We're making sure every wall is straight, secure, and perfectly aligned. Step by step, the basic structure of our house is coming to life. As we continue fitting the walls, you can already see how this miniature house is going to look. We're building it as a double-story home. Downstairs, there will be 2 rooms, a garage, and a small lawn. Upstairs, we'll add more rooms and continue the same beautiful design. So keep watching as this tiny house slowly comes to life. And if you're enjoying the build, don't forget to like and subscribe. We've now completed the main structure of our miniature house, including all the walls, rooms, and the full double-story design. But this is only the beginning. Now we're going to transform this basic structure into something truly beautiful. Keep watching, because the next steps might surprise you. And you may even wish you had a miniature home like this yourself.
Bring me into golden sunlight. If I'm going with you, I know we'll get to the other side. Sinking in, I know this feels right. Catching a breeze, love moving through me.
Now that the main structure of our miniature house is complete, we're starting with the flooring. We're using a beautiful patterned paper that may look like ordinary paper at first. But once it's placed on the floor, it looks just like expensive luxury tiles. The transformation is amazing. Would you love to have flooring like this in your own home? Just watch how this floor transforms before your eyes. What started as a simple sheet of patterned paper now looks like beautiful, expensive luxury tile. The final effect is absolutely stunning. If you're enjoying our work, let us know in the comments. And tell us what kind of miniature project you'd like to see in our next video.
Bring me into golden sunlight. If I'm going with you,
The flooring and beautiful tile work on the lower level are now complete. And now, we're moving upstairs to start the floor of the second story. Stay with us and watch closely, because with every step, this miniature house is becoming more beautiful. Don't go anywhere. The best transformations are still coming. And now all the flooring is finally complete, giving our miniature house a beautiful and polished look. But we're not stopping here. The next step is to transform the walls with beautiful wallpaper. This will add even more character, color, and elegance to our little home. Stay with us because the house is about to look even more amazing.
bring me into golden sunlight. If I'm going with you, I know we'll get to the other side. Sinking in
Now it's time to start adding the fixtures to our miniature house. The first piece we're installing is this tiny wash basin, carefully placed in its position. It's amazing how one small detail can instantly make the room feel more realistic. But what are we going to add next? Stay with us and find out. Now we're moving into the upstairs room and starting with a beautiful carpet for the floor. Next, we'll add the bed, windows, and small cabinets to complete the room. Step by step, this empty space is turning into a cozy little bedroom. Stay with us because our dream miniature home is coming together beautifully. Now it's time to work on the bathroom next to the bedroom. We're adding a special marble look paper to the walls, giving the bathroom an elegant and luxurious finish. Next, we'll install a tiny bathtub for the bathing area, followed by a miniature toilet fixture. These small details are making our miniature home feel more and more like a real house. Stay with us for the next transformation. With the bathroom fixtures now complete, we're moving outside to create a beautiful little outdoor area. We'll add a mountain-style landscape along the side, followed by a small date palm tree to bring the space to life. And right in front, we'll create a tiny garage where our miniature car will be parked. Stay with us because this little outdoor space is about to look amazing.
bring me into golden sunlight. If I'm going with you, I know we'll get to the other side. Sinking in
Now it's time to create the beautiful lawn around our miniature house. We're carefully laying down a realistic carpet grass, giving the garden a fresh and natural look. Watch how this simple green surface completely transforms the outdoor area and makes the entire house look even more beautiful. The final view is going to be absolutely stunning. Now it's time to decorate our beautiful drawing room. We're adding a dining table with matching chairs and placing a tiny tea kettle and cups on the table. These little details make the room feel warm, cozy, and realistic. We're also adding beautiful decorations throughout the house to give every corner its own special charm. Stay with us, the final look is getting closer. Now it's time to add a beautiful cabinet to our drawing room. We're applying glue carefully to the back so it can be securely attached to the wall. Once it's positioned and fixed in place, this little cabinet will add even more elegance and detail to our miniature living space. Stay with us and watch how it transforms the room. As we mentioned earlier, we're now transforming the open side area of our miniature house. Along the wall, we're creating a beautiful mountain-style landscape and adding Washingtonia palm trees beside it. These natural details will bring the outdoor space to life and give our miniature home an incredible scenic view. Just wait until you see the final result. And finally, our miniature dream house is completely finished. Let's take a complete tour and look at every little detail we created with so much patience and love. This beautiful entrance has glass panels with Washingtonia palm trees standing on both sides. As we enter, we have a beautiful carpet of green grass, along with a large table, 2 chairs, 2 cups, and a tiny tea kettle. Every little detail makes this entrance feel warm and welcoming. Moving inside, we have a beautiful wall with stunning scenery leading us toward the staircase. The staircase takes us upstairs, where our first room is a beautiful study room. On the right side, we have a miniature bookshelf filled with books, along with a study table and chair where you can sit and read. Next comes the bedroom. There's a beautiful bed with 2 pillows, a stunning scene behind the headboard, small tables on both sides, and a beautiful carpet underneath. Everything has been carefully arranged to make this tiny bedroom feel like a real home. Right next to the bedroom is the bathroom. It has a beautiful bathtub filled with realistic-looking foam, a shower above it, a toilet, and a tiny wash basin. The bathroom also has a glass door, and as you step outside, you'll find a beautiful little plant waiting at the entrance. Now let's go downstairs to the drawing room. Here we have a wash basin, a beautiful table with chairs, flower arrangements, and even a tiny sandwich placed on the table. There's also a comfortable sofa for guests, beautiful wall decorations, and a large LCD screen mounted on the wall. Every corner has been decorated, with small details to make the room feel complete and realistic. Now let's step outside again. On the left side, we've added a beautiful panda ficus tree, and inside the garage, our miniature car is parked safely. And just look around the entire house. The beautiful lighting along the walls makes this little home look absolutely magical. From the foundation to the rooms, flooring, wallpaper, furniture, garden, bathroom, garage, plants, and final decorations, every single part was created step by step with patience and creativity. We truly hope you enjoyed watching this miniature dream house come to life. Now we want to hear from you. What did you think of our little house? Which part was your favorite? And how much did you enjoy the work that went into creating it? And most importantly, tell us in the comments what topic you want us to create in our next miniature project. If this is your first time visiting our channel, don't forget to subscribe and join us for more amazing miniature creations. And before you go, tell us in the comments, which country are you watching this video from? Thank you so much for watching and supporting our work. Until our next video, take care, goodbye, and Allah Hafiz.